With this video here, I want to show you how to rationalize four fractions, 2 with small denominators, 2 with larger denominators. This first problem, 10 over the square root of 20, I want to clean up the square root of 20, or go ahead and simplify that, and I get 2 square roots of 5. I think I should reduce the 10 and the 2. 10 over 2 is 5 on top of 1, so I get 5 on top of the square root of 5. Now I'm going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying top and bottom by the square root of 5. On top, we have 5 square roots of 5. On the bottom, we have the square root of 25, which is 5. And also, remember, when you multiply a radical with itself, you just get the inside of that radical one time. I have a 5 up on top. Outside, I have a 5 on the bottom. Those will reduce. Those will cancel. I have the square root of 5. Second problem here, I'll look inside the radical to see if the fraction reduces. It doesn't. So I'm going to break it up. Radical on top with the numerator, radical on the bottom with the denominator. The square root of 8 is 2 square roots of 2. I'll begin my rationalizing. Multiply top and bottom by the square root of 2. Radical 5, radical 2 on top gives me square root of 10. 2 square roots of 2 with a square root of 2 is 2 square roots of 4. Square root of 4, you know, is a 2, so the bottom will clean up to be a 4. And you cannot reduce, because you cannot reduce something on the inside of the radical with something on the outside. When we have groups, what we must do is we must multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of that group. So by alternating the middle sign, that is a conjugate. On top, I'm going to distribute 3 times the 5, 15. And 3 times the radical 2, 3 radical 2. On the bottom, I'm going to FOIL. 5 times 5 makes 25. 5 times this plus radical is plus 5 radical 2. This negative radical times the 5 is negative 5 radical 2. And notice those two will cancel. And negative radical 2 times a positive radical 2 will be a negative 2. On top, we have 15 plus 3 radical 2. On the bottom, these cancel. 25 take away 2 is 23. And always check to see if you can reduce, take out the same thing from those 3 numbers. In this problem, we can't. Multiply top and bottom by the conjugate. 3 radical 2 take away 4. I'll distribute on top. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4, negative 40. On the bottom, 3 radical 2 times another 3 radical 2 is a 9 square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so 9 square root of 4 is 18. I'm not going to multiply these two together because I know these two will cancel that. And then 4 times negative 4 minus 16. 30 square roots of 2 take away 40 over. This is 18. 18 take away 16 is 2. We can reduce this problem because all 3 of these numbers have a 2 in common. 15 square root of 2 take away 20. Have a nice day.